Hey guys, my name is William Lung. I'm the assembly producer for this year. I'm also in charge of the studio in the back of the class. Nobody can touch the studio unless I tell them they can. What else? I love anime. I watch a lot of anime. I like watching it, I like reviewing it. I'm also in love with...
Hey! You're not allowed to say that, alright? Where's the monkey sound? Where? Where's the ooh? Where's the ah? Alright, that's it, Bill. You're fired.
You wanna know something, William? You and me, we're birds of a feather.